What's going on, Sneaker Talk fam? Welcome back to another outlet vlog on the channel. I missed you guys and I missed making these outlet videos. We're here at Vaughan Mills right behind me. We got Mama Sneaker Talk here as well. And we're gonna be going to, of course, your favorite sneaker stores at this outlet. Today's also the release day for the brand new Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue, which I'm not too big of a fan of, to be honest, but I did end up taking a W on this on the Foot Locker app, so we might go to Scarborough Town Center and pick those bad boys up. But I'm not really too excited about them. They might have them at the mall sitting, but we'll see. It's unlikely. They have a bunch of sneaker stores at the mall, as you guys know. We got Champs, we got Foot Locker, we of course have the Nike outlet, and the mall isn't yet open. The mall opens up in 12 minutes, but we have to come early because if you don't know, a lot of these stores have a max capacity of 15 to 25%, and there's already a long lineup to get inside of the mall. It looks like there's a lineup of at least 250 people just to get in. You can only imagine what it's going to be like when we try and line up for Nike. So Nike is going to be the first store I hit up. Let's get going into the mall and see what sneakers we can find. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. I should have done that earlier, but yeah, we do vlogs like this all the time. So if you're into this kind of stuff, check out my outlet vlog playlist. I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, now let's actually go have some fun. We got the Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0 DNAs, the Oreo colorway on feet. Check this out. This is the lineup. So the mall entrance number 5 is like right there, right? And the line keeps going and going and going and going and going all the way back there. I've never actually come to the outlet malls before they open up, so this is a little bit different. But yeah, hopefully the lineups aren't too bad. When you've gone to other malls in Toronto, the lineups are pretty bad depending on which stores you go into. So yeah, I'm crossing my fingers that we don't waste too much time in the lineups today. So this is the very end of the lineup for that gate or door, and it's like 400 people. But it's not the lineup for the Nike store, and Nike is typically the one store at the outlets to have the longest lineups. I don't know if it's like that for you guys, but when it comes to like the social distancing and max capacities and all that kind of stuff, Nike is always the store that has the longest lineup in the entire mall. So this is entrance number 4 here, and these guys got the right idea. They got their camping chairs like they're lining up for shoes. The lineup just goes on and on and on. And so the lineup is moving, and it's moving fast. It looks like there was like 500 plus people. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. I should have probably started a timer on my phone, so we're gonna start it now because it's only 10:59. So let's see how long it takes for us to get inside of Nike. So I'm not even gonna bother counting. It looks like there's maybe like 500 people in front of me, but maybe I can't count. So we'll see how long this takes. And I think we're just gonna make this a 2-part vlog. So this will be part 1 with the Nike outlet, and then we're gonna go to all the other sneaker stores after. So it's been an hour and 44 minutes of lining up for the Nike outlet. We're about to find out if this was worth it. Apparently there might be a 40% off sale, which is exciting, but my stomach is growling. I'm starving, and you can't even eat food in the food court because of COVID. So I'm just gonna pass out after we're done here at the Nike outlet. Let's go inside and see what they have. So here we are, starting things off with these ugly Nike Air Monarchs that have been sitting with Cheeto dust on them for over a year now. It's no wonder these sneakers haven't sold at this Nike outlet. I think these are the I already like mentally blocked the name out of my head. Anyways, we got some Nike Tailwinds here, some Nike Element React 55s, which have been sitting for a long time. Like they've had these different colorways sitting for a long time. Here's an Air Max 270 React as well in this blue colorway. Another one, this time in a size 9, and you guys can see the pricing on screen, and it's all going to be an extra 40% off. Next up, we have the Air Max 97s right here in this gray and green colorway. Kind of gives me Ben 10 vibes. Then we have some LeBrons right here, this cool gradient like effect on the midsole. We have some Tailwinds next up, size 10. Really good price on these, and I gotta say, this is probably one of the better, more casual sneakers you could find at this Nike outlet. Next up, we have some Undercover Gayasuku. I forget the exact name, but I'll have the price tag on screen screen right now. These have got to be one of my favorite sneakers of the day that we found. Next up, we got some size 11 Nike Joyrides. They had quite a few of these, and they're really, really comfortable. It's like nerd candy in the midsole. Anyways, on to some basketball sneakers for you guys. We got some Kyries for $70. We got another pair, this time in like a American flag colorway for $120 with an extra 40% off. Very, very nice to see that. And then they had a black and white colorway as well for that exact same price. Next up, we have some LeBrons. These are not your typical LeBrons though. They're not the mainline ones. And then these ones were also on sale for $60 Canadian after the discount. On to the mainline LeBrons. These are really cool. Kind of gave me those Fruity Pebble vibes. Very, very comfortable. Just really too bad I can't wear them very casually. Next up, we have some Gay Pride sneakers for June, and these are size 10 for a pretty decent price. And on to some Shocks for my Vince Carter fans out there. These were a pretty surprising find as well. Now these right here really caught my eye. They're size 13, unfortunately, so too big for me, but Fragment did a collaboration on this shoe a few years ago, which is why I remember them. We have some Jordan Deltas in this cool sort of Tom Sachs light beige brown colorway. We have some React shoes as well. These are really funky looking, man. This is straight out of an RPG. Now on to the only pair of Air Force Ones for $85 with an extra 40% off, size 13, unfortunately. And then we're going to check out the main section of the store that has like a lot of inventory, a lot of different sizes for these shoes. So we have the Air Max 200s, I believe, for $80 with 40% off. We have the Nike Air Pennies as well for $140 with an extra 40% off. Pretty cool colorway. These also had a ton of different different sizes. They're like the poor man's Air Force One Low. They're just, not a good looking shoe. Next up, we have some cool, I think these are the Killshot SPs. Pretty nice sneaker with this denim kind of vibe. And on to the Blazers. They only had one pair of Blazers in this store, or like this one style, but a lot of different sizes available. And then on to some Air Force One Low Craters made with some recycled materials. Pretty cool. We have these, I believe, Super Court RX. Not the greatest shoe, but if you're looking for something all white, they got you there. And then they had a lot of Air Max 270 Reacts on sale. So that first colorway was $60. The second one was $100. And then we got some Vapor Maxes for $170. This like Oreo kind of colorway. Really clean colorway. Would definitely recommend those. Next up for $170, we have a different version of the Vapor Max without the traditional kind of shoelaces. They also had these other really cool colorways as well. This one gives me like Air Mag kind of vibes with that gray upper. And then here's all the sizing available. And in terms of Air Max 90s, they had this one pair with the green hits. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Anyways, here's a look at a bunch of the running shoes they had for sale. I'll just have them flash up with some music in the background. So enjoy. Two hours and 6 minutes. That was the biggest waste of 2 hours and 6 minutes in my entire life.